So I do have the underlying wood construction ready. It turns out it's really gonna be a bit tight. I'm gonna place a tuner on the left, the ATU 100, the radio in the middle, and then on the right there's gonna be power supply. I should really clean the case before actually doing this, but it's fine. So that's that. That's gonna be all there. All the cables go below. So far the plan, and then the idea is that you can actually elevate this, right? You can put it up, and that's a bit too high, so I gotta adjust that. So you can operate it, and the radio is facing you and not something else. And then once you're done, you can just put it back down, close the lid, and you're all done. So still some fine tuning on the basement, cleaning of course, but then I guess next step can be electronics and wiring and stuff. That's gonna be the fun part. Thanks for watching so far.